Trading breakouts with Bitcoin, altcoins, or cryptocurrency is so important because it's the difference between you making a trade that makes a profit or losing money when the market goes south. So how do you trade breakouts? We asked this question of Jeroen Van Lange from the Blockchain Today, one of our mentors here at Conscious Crypto Traders. And he gave 2 answers in response to that question. Sound interesting? We'd love it if you would like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, click all so you get notified when we upload videos of value to you and when we go live. I'm going to turn it over to Jeroen to answer the question. How do you trade a breakout so it's profitable? Over the weekend, Teresa and I had a really spirited conversation about what a breakout actually is. So I've been doing extra research, like what is a breakout? Because some will say, if you're going to trade the breakout, you make sure that we go above the pattern, we come back and test resistance as support, and then we go above the original breakout. And others are saying, no, wait for a full 4-hour candle that clears the breakout. So what are the rules that you go by in breakouts?
So that is a good question. And there's a lot of uncertainty with traders in this field. You know, everybody is using different confirmations, but of course the main rule is the higher the confirmation, like the higher the time frame, let's say a daily breakout, a daily close above or below a certain level is a higher confirmation. But sometimes we don't see the price coming back down again on a daily time frame, right? So that is the problem. So I always tell people, like, sometimes you want to take an extra risk and you want to enter a position at the breakout before waiting that it goes back until it's retesting. On the other hand, when it's coming back to retest, you get an extra confirmation, because when former resistance flips into support, you have an extra confirmation and you can enter the trade even with more confidence than you would have if you would enter from the breakout. The only risk that you have is that you might not enter the trade because we might not see the retest.
Okay, yeah, exactly. And then you end up chasing a running train, right?
That is not a good plan. So that is like it's like I think it's quite personal. And it's also, again, depending on the situation as well. You know, in some breakouts, you see the price already like coming up towards the resistance, and when the price is coming up towards the resistance, you're already seeing let's say volume starting to increase, and which is coming along with a breakout in the RSI breaking the resistance. So we get a lot of signals that okay, momentum is behind this move, price is going to break above, we are seeing increased amounts of volume, feels good, let's go in.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's fun having a bunch of traders as neighbors here in Vista Mundo. You know, I imagine your community you're starting in Valley is going to be similar, where it's like, you know, Bitcoin is just a topic of conversation at the dinner table.
It's starting. It's wow, really yes. Even when I'm like lately, when I'm just going to restaurants, have some food, or when I'm sitting at a public pool or something, I hear in my environment people talking about crypto, and it really reminds me actually of 2016, 2017, which is slightly alarming, because back then when we heard everybody talking about it, that it didn't took that long until we actually topped out. Might be a couple of months, you know, so. Who knows?
Good indicator. Actually, that's the scenario, right? Like when everybody starts talking about something, that actually might be a scenario we think about where, okay, we might be within a few months of the end of the bull run here. That's, you know, good noticing, actually. So we should start tracking that one as a scenario.
I don't think we are close to the cycle top, though. I think Bitcoin will still go to way higher levels, but it might be sooner than later.
Yeah.
Well, that was great. And we have more of Jeroen in a full interview where we go into certain strategies for trading. How does Mercury going retrograde affect the price of Bitcoin? Does it go up? Does it go down? And many other really exciting questions about energy in the market and technical analysis. If you would like to see that interview, you're going to see the video come up at the end of the screen. And we are having conversations here that no other crypto YouTuber is having. So if that's interesting and of value to you, we'd love for you to like this video, click subscribe, hit the bell and click all so you get notified when we upload new videos and we go live. Thanks so much for listening all the way to the end. Bye for now.